Hi guys, today I'm here to explain the Cambridge Igcse Ict 2020 February-March session paper 2. So this paper has four parts, which is document production, then we have databases, and then we have mail merge, and then at the end PowerPoint presentation. So I'm going to start today with the first part, that is document production, or you can say document. So before I start, I have to start with this page. As they said, you have been supplied with the following source files. These are the files that they have provided. So yes, I have these files. They are the one, and then they said you are going to carry out some tasks for a gas appliance servicing company. So evidence we have to prepare first. Open the file M2120 evidence.rtf. Make sure your name, center number, candidate number will appear on every page of your evidence document. Save this document in your work area with the file name M2120 evidence followed by your candidate number. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create here one folder. Yes, and I'm going to name here, for example, 2021. Yeah, for example, 2021. I'm going to name it. So I'm going to open here the evidence document. And I'm going to prepare it for the evidences. So I'm going to enable the file editing first, and then after going to insert the header. So just click on insert, then header, and we need our name, center number, candidate number in the header. So just write here your name, yes, then your center number is here, and then your candidate number. And close the header, save this document as on desktop. I have a folder called 2021, the one I just created, and now I'm going to save it as Word document, and at the end my candidate number, which is 0297. Just save it. Done. Next step is you will need your evidence document during the examination to place screenshot when required. So we will definitely need this later on. Moving forward with the task 2, that is document, you are going to edit a document where paragraph style have been applied. Some of these styles will need to be edited. The page layout is A4 portrait orientation with 2.54 centimeter margin. Do not change these settings. So nothing to do with the page size, with the margins and orientation. Let it be the same as they have provided the document. Now we need to open the document called M2120 servicing.rtf. So I'm going to minimize this one. Yes, this is the document. Yeah. Now we are going to make changes in this document now. Yes, just enable editing. And now they said here, save the document in your work area with the name safety. So we need to save it as safety and make sure it is saved in the format of the software that you are using. So very simple, we just need to save this one as with the name of safety, and then as a word process document, and in my folder called 2021, and just save it as a word process document. Saved. Next step is evidence 1. Place in your evidence document a screenshot to show the file has been saved. Make sure there is evidence of file type. So it means you have to go to your folder, which is 2021, and I just created, and file type need to be clear here like that. And now you have to print screen this one to show the document name with the information like file type. And now we need to go to our evidence document, into evidence 1, and we are going to just paste it here. After pasting, you need to crop the document, the picture I mean, so that the file size and name is clearly seen. Do not crop the folder name. So just increase. So that is our file with the safety. The folder name is here and the file type is clearly seen here. Next step is place in the header of the document your name, center number, candidate number, left align. So safety document, insert a header, in the left side your name, then your center number and your candidate number. And then after, they want you to have an automated field to display today's date, right align. So you want today's date here, just click here. They said automated field. So indeed, it means that quick parts, you need to click on field and then choose from here date. So for example, I'm going to choose this one, that is date. And then after they said place in the footer automated page number left align. So I don't need this one here, and then I will insert a footer, and on the left side I want page number. So just click here and page number, always go to current position and then choose the page number. If they mention a specific page number, then you have to choose that one. Otherwise, you can have the plain number. You don't need this one because they have said here that the file name and its path right align. So just click here. Again, quick parts, field, and then we need file name, which is here with the path. That's it. Click on close. Now we need to make sure all item align to the page margin, so nothing is out of the page margins and no other text or placeholder appear in the header footer areas. They mean that the information that they just said, that must be there. No other information should be added in the header and footer, and it is displayed on every page. So it is, if you just go through it, header and footer is available on all the pages that we have at the moment in our document. Moving next, the house style specification for the paragraph are these are the styles that we need to create. But as they said earlier, at the top of the document here, that you are going to edit the document where the paragraph style have been applied, and these are already created. What we need to do is these styles have been correctly applied to the document, but but 3 do not match the house style specification in step 3. So you will correct these and provide evidence. So it means you have to check each and every style and then find out the mistakes, and those which are with the mistakes, 3 of them, just paste it into your evidence document. So GS title, I'm going to start with first. So here is GS title. Just going to right click, modify. Yeah. So as they said here, it must be sans serif 20 center align. So it is sans serif. Okay. It means Arial 20 point, left align and center align, yes, and all capital. So it is all capitals. It's done. And then line spacing, there is after before no line spacing. Yeah, we just need to go and check once more. Here in the paragraph, he has 0 center line. So this one is absolutely right. Now next one we have here G as subtitle. So G as subtitle, this is the one. Right click, modify it, yeah, and just check. You want sans serif, 18, italic, and right. So here you can see it is not chosen italic. So what you have to do is you just need to click here on italic and just click on OK, and then again, sorry, subtitle, this is right click, modify. I made this one italic. What I have to do is I need to take the print screen of this one, and then just I need to paste it in my evidence document as a proof that I have corrected this one. Now I'm just going to edit this one to show only that this area is seen here. Now I'm just going to crop this one, yes, from this point, yeah. After cropping it, I'm just going to increase, and I will write here, I will type here actually, that GS, then subtitle was not italicized. So, italic, sorry, italic, so I made it italic. Yeah. And then after, next, what else we have here? We need to go to our safety document. Yeah. So we will just, this one is as it is, it was. And now here, we actually, whenever we are checking this one, you should click here, in the plain area. Yes. And now, here, just go through subtitle, we have gone through it. Yeah, it was not, just right click and check if there is still something missing. Yeah, it is italic, and it is right align. And then this one is right align. Yeah, it is right align. And then after we have before and after spacing 0. We just need to check, and single spacing. Okay, this one is perfect. Moving to the next one, that is GS subheading. So GS subheading, we just click here first, then right click. Yeah, this one is GS subheading, and modify it. So this one must be Times New Roman, means serif, with 16 point size, center align, yes, bold and underline as well, with after spacing 16 points. So it is already here. So this one is perfect. Now, next one is GS section head. So we have GS section head, right click, modify it, and now go through it also. Serif 14, left align, all capital, and left align 14 and Times New Roman, means serif, and underline as well, it is underline. Yeah, and after spacing, we need to check the spacing after. So here, paragraph after spacing is 8 and single line spacing. So perfect, this is done. Next one is GS body. So we have GS body here. This one must be serif 14 and justified, and no other enhancement, but this one is here left align. So if you go to the paragraph, it must be justified. So just click here and just choose from here justified, and after spacing is 14. So after spacing is 14. These are the changes that you have made. Now you just click on OK. Yeah, now you can see here after spacing 14 and justified. Now print screen, click on OK, and then go to your evidence document, which is here, and then mention here that yes, crop this one now and enter the information that you have updated already. So it's very simple now. We just need to type here, yeah, that it was which style. It was GS body. So we just need to crop it actually first so that we can see the contents clearly. Sorry, yeah, the contents can be seen clearly now. Yeah, we'll make it a little bit, yes, it is okay actually. Yeah, make a little bit smaller so that it can adjust to that page. Yeah, and I'm going to uh, click here and format text wrap square, and I'm going to write the information here. GS body style is updated according, sorry, according with the house style specification justified fight, and after spacing is 14 pt point. Yeah, it's one more evidence because it is 5 marks, so we have only till now identified the two mistakes here. Now GS table, we are moving to the other one, GS table. Yeah, I'm here in the end of the document. So we have GS table as well. Right click, modify it. So this one should be serif 14 left and none. No enhancement, left, yes. And also before and after spacing 0. So it is already mentioned here, but I'm just going to still cross check here. Yeah, single line spacing left none. Perfect. Click on OK. Done. And now we have the last one, which is GS list. So right click GS list. So we need to have 12-point font size, serif and left. So 12-point serif and left line. And then after we want a tick bullet indented 1 centimeter from the left margin. So indentation is not clear here. So I'm just going to click on paragraph first. So indentation, I'm going to choose from here. They said it must be yeah, left margin 1 centimeter. So just choose from here 1 centimeter. Click on OK. Yes, and then after they want the bullet style as a tick, this one, as they said here, a tick, and then single line spacing. So before and after spacing 0 as well. And then after we have before and after spacing 0, 1 centimeter, okay, and the list type is a tick. So just click here, bullet numbering, bullet, and just choose from here, tick, okay, okay. Oh, sorry, I just need to take a screenshot here, and this one was a list. Yes, you see here the information is clearly written here. So just take the print screen, click on OK, and then go to your evidence document and just paste it here. And then you just crop it. You don't need this extra space or something more than our required. So just click here and you just go to the top here and type here that GS list was not indented by 1 centimeter from left and bullet style was not chosen as, sorry, spelling mistake, forgive me if there's some spelling mistake, chosen, yeah, chosen as a tick. Done. So after you're done with this one, we are moving forward to the next step. They said change the page layout so that all the text following. Now step number 4. They said change the page layout so that all the text following the subtitled report for home customers is displayed in 2 columns of equal width with a 1 centimeter space between them. So here is our document. So from this point till the end, we need to select yes, and then we will go to page layout, columns, more columns with 2 columns and a 1 centimeter space between them. Just click on OK. It is done. Now if you go up, let's cross check if it is selected properly. Yes, it is. Now next, import the image M2120AC.jpg. Place this at the start of the paragraph below the section heading regular tasks you can do yourself. So regular tasks you can do yourself, we just need to find out that heading. Yes, this one. Here I'm going to insert the picture, yeah, in my folder. This one, pictures inserted, and now they said here resize this image so that it is half the width of the column. The aspect ratio is maintained. So if you can see earlier when I was arranging the page setup, so the column width was 7.4. So it means if we arrange this one to 3.7, the picture size, so this will be the perfect size to adjust the picture. So I'm just going to write here, type here 3.7. So that is the width of the picture, and now text must be wrapped around the picture. It is done. Square. Now I just need to go to the specific area where I need to paste this one. Yes, just get it from here and then insert into the perfect place where it must be inserted. So here, moving down, down. Yes, yeah, it is here. And air conditioner filter. Yes. So the picture is inserted. Then after align the image to left to top of the text. That is done. Now locate the table and format it look like this. So we need to look for a table which is here. Just select the table and then you just select from home the borders around the table. Just click here. Now we have an option called you can just click here all borders we want. Sorry, we need to select our table. Yeah, this is our table. Now we need the border around all, and then after we need to move Yes, to the next part, so we need to first of all merge these cells so that they become a single cell, as you can see. And then after, we need the gray shading. So we will choose, for example, this shading. And then after, we need to arrange the text direction from down to up. So we need to select this one, cells, layout, direction, yes, and then exactly into the center. And we need to decrease the size of this one. So sorry, we just need to click here now to make this one smaller, so the text is arranged in a way so there's no text wrapped around the cell here. Yes, still if you need to just make it smaller a little bit. So now it looked like this, that is done. And then after, they said make sure that the table fit within the column width, no word split on text wrap, and grid lines are visible when printed. So when you choose from here grid lines, so here we have an option in the home. You need to go here to the border and shading and choose the border with a width. So it was already chosen, so that's why it is bold and you can see the thick borders here. And then moving forward to step number 8, they said they want you to produce a vertical bar chart using the file M2120 chart to compare the number of gas, electric and air con engineers for the north and east region only. So what we need to do is we need to go to our folder here to the source files. Yeah, and we need to open M2120 chart. First of all, I need to arrange my file because it looked like a single column only. So we just put a comma between them. Yeah, now it looked like that. So for these three engineers for the north and east only. Now insert a vertical bar graph, they said. So this is a vertical bar graph. Now they want us to have some titles like regional coverage is the title of the chart. So whenever they ask us to insert a chart, I always choose from here one layout, which is layout number 9. So here you can insert the chart title. Yes. Then after, they say number of engineers, the value, axis title. So this is the one. Just replace it. And then after, they said category axis label to identify gas, electric and air con, and the category axis title area of expertise. So just copy this one. If you look at this one, this info labels are already here, so we just need to have this label here. Sorry, yes, done. And then after, they said that the value data label above each bar. So we need the data. So you just click on layout, data label, outside end of each bar. You can see the values appear here and the legend to identify each area. Just copy this one now. Yes. And where we need to paste it, place this chart after the paragraph that ends how we cover the region. So how we cover the region, we need to check this one, how we cover the region, and then we just need to paste this chart, how we cover the region. So it's here, just paste it and make sure that it fit in the width of the column. So it's okay. After that, they ask us to proof check the document if there is some grammatical mistake. So we just need to proof check the document, spell check I mean. Yeah, so we just press the F7 button. So checks need to be change, inspect, change. This one is okay. Check is correct. Yes. If you want to make the C capital even, you just change it and then just click on OK, and your document is now ready to print. Save the document using the same file. So we are just going to save it. Yes. And then after they said that make sure that your name center number appears on each page and just need to print. So this is what they said in document production. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you in next video.